Finally, the one and only wasak. And then, parang sisirain lang. And then, where's Daddy? Ano, chismoso. Sige na, i-chismos mo na yan. Huwag ka na mahiya.
Paning run pag ano.
Daddy, can I carry him?
Uy, so cute naman. Ate. Okay, very good. Tingin naman dito ang baby. Wait, Lexi, wait only. 1, 2, here. 1, 2. My original baby is here.
One, two, three.
Happy birthday. Si Kuya Luis eh.
1, 2, 3. Birthday na ni Patis. Birthday na ni Patis. Birthday ni Patis ngayon. Get. Oh.
Dapat kasali ka, Cha.
Ready na. 1, 2, 3. There she was walking down the street, saying do-a-dee, dee-dee-dum, dee-dee-doo, snapping her finger and shuffle her feet, saying happy birthday to you. She looks good, she looks fine, she looks good, she looks fine, and I nearly lost my mind. Before I knew it, she was walking next to me, saying do-a-dee, dee-dee-dum, dee-dee-doo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, sir. Salamat.
Finally, the one and only
sa wasak.
with our CVM family. Ayan sila. O, diba? Tignan nyo naman as yung picture natin ay Jurassic eh.
Sobra.
Ay, nakso.
Tabayo? Ay, wala akong pakialam.
Oy, Ultabayo family. Oh, si Nanay ready na po yung 20 years contract with CVM.
Malaking karangalan. Malaking karangalan.
Ayaw magpatalo ni CVM kay Ultabayo, may paandar din.
Yes. Panalo.
Diyos ko, may alahas ko sa loob. May alahas ko sa loob, Nanay.
Thank you.
Ayan na, Nay. Ayan na, Nay.
Si Lebo.
Nay, eto na yun, Nay.
Alam mo.
Ano ba? Unboxing?
Tinay ko yun, di ba?
Bubuksan ba namin?
Tinay ko yun, di ba? Ay, hindi. Ano pala itong notebook? Pero nabibig ko kasi anak ko talaga.
Thank you.
Sabi ko, Tina. Alam mo, ito na lang pakikita ko sa ano.
Ito matutuwa
CFM.
dito, anak ko. Ay, oo nga, Nay.
Di ba?
Paano to?
Para yung logo, alam na alam.
Nasasanglayan na eh.
Okay.
Nanay, 1, 2. Okay.
Galit na siya. Gusto niya ng dumede.
Oh, no!
How about you, baby? Did Lexi do that?
Yes.
Can I see? I wanna see. Can I see, B? Wow! Philippine flag. Good job. Is it Lexi or Daddy? It's you. Very good. How about the Batang Magalang? Can you do it na?
No, I can't because I'm a good girl.
Pampabalik ng nawalang boses.
You see that? This one.
Here.
Go.
Wow! It's Mom and Daddy, Baby Dragon, and Ate Sap and Daddy.
Ay, ang ganda.
Oh!
Ano yan? From Bundle of Joy Studio.
Bundle of Joy, thank you.
Say thank you here, Lexi.
Thank you!
Where's Lexi? Lexi's the cutest.
There.
Who's the cutest?
Baby Lexi.
Oh, can you tell me one by one? Who are those people ba?
Ito.
Oh, who's that?
Ba?
Lexi.
Oh, can you tell us one by one? Sino yan?
Ito, Lexi.
And then?
Baby Dragon.
And then?
Ate Sap.
And then?
Mommy.
Parang sisirain naman. And then, where's Daddy?
Daddy ito.
Oh.
Okay. Doon o,
Pogi
labo.
si Daddy,
Doon o,
pogi.
bagay yun. Doon o.
Yeah.
Doon o sa tabi ng
I
aircon.
love you.
No?
Let's put the picture there.
Yes.
Yeah, we have a picture. Yay! Picture. Daddy, when I go up and go up,
Doon na lang muna sa playroom. Tayo mo doon.
let go.
Pangit naman dito.
Diyan. Diyan.
Daddy, when I
Parang mas bagay dyan.
yeah,
It's so bigat, sorry.
so big heart.
One.
Can you help me?
Okay, I'm helping you.
O, game.
Oh, you buhat. 1, 2, 3, go.
Look here, here.
There.
Here on Mommy's phone.
Mommy's
Here. Oh, bit. Parang- Lexi, look here. Here na. Here, oh. So pretty naman that girl.
Batang magalang ay katutuwaan. Daddy, where's my lola?
Go. Ready. Repeat after me.
Daddy, where's my lola?
Lola is looking for Macduff and Miley.
I want
Recite the Batang
Go.
Magalang. And then,
Batang Magalang,
after you
Bao.
recite it, we will find Lola. Go.
Batang Magalang,
Batang magalang,
ang Batang Magalang Bao.
ang batang magalang baw.
Very good.
Ang Batang Magalang,
Ang batang magalang,
kinatutuwaan
kinatutuwaan
ng mga magulang
ng mga gulang
at maging sino man.
at maging sino man.
Ang po at opo,
Anpo at opo,
laging nasa puso,
laging nasa puso,
lalo na't kausap
lalo na kausap
ng mga
ng mga
nakatatanda
nakatanda
tulad ni
tulad ni
Lola,
Lola,
Ay, ang gulo
Lolo.
naman. Di naman nakikinig kay Daddy. Makinig kay
Bao.
Daddy.
Bao.
Good
Oh,
job.
can you recite it on your own? I wanna hear. How about
go.
you? Uy.
Nakita mo yung ano?
Ano, chismoso?
Wala.
Sige na, i-chismis mo na yan. Huwag ka na mahiya.
Wag mo muna.
Oh, parang ikaw ang ayaw niya. We will go today. Oh, it's so baho. You wanna go to the mall? Huh? You know, baby, me and baby brother, we walk outside. You wanna walk outside with Nana?
Yung daddy doon na.
And Daddy is running now. Daddy and Kuya Nico is running.
They're friends.
Yeah, they're friends.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Where have you been?
I run. I walk. Hindi pala run. I walk with baby. I walk with the baby. Date muna kami. Saan tayo punta?
Diyan lang. Sogo.
Nakatakas kami sa mga bata. At kasama namin si Lexi eh. Pero kasi hapon na, 5 PM na. So sabi ko kaming dalawa na lang. Saan ba tayo pupunta? Saan mo ako dadalhin?
Sa ano?
Saan? Sa langkip.
Pero mas maganda pa rin yung Chito Ring.
Mas maganda ako dyan.
Oo naman.
Pogi yan eh. Oh, bang! Gwapo eh. EDSA Humber 1. U-turn ka lang. 2 hours. 2 oras, be. Di pa kayo nakakarating dun. Ubus na yung energy sa traffic eh. Ano, alis ka pa ng Sabado. So, ayan na po yung biniyahe namin ng 3 hours. Worth it naman kasi 50% off lahat dito sa Rudy Project. Hey, B! Ito po si Doktora. Mamaya may mga check-up po tayo.
Doktor mo.
Ang ganda nito, B. Sa halagang... Magkano siya? 11,590. So, magkano na lang to, sir? Less? 50% lahat? Pati to?
30%.
So nice.
Mga naka-50 rin po tayo.
B sulit. 700 before 300 na lang ngayon.
50%. Ano? Grabe.
Yung mga capsule.
Cap din.
Parang ano to? Parang nakaka-free.
Si Michael, tagal ano eh. Oh, ay. Oh. Boss Chacha.
Sino ka dyan? Ito muna ako for the first outfit.
Si Doc. Si Doc naman, no?
Ganda. Bagay sa akin, no? Bagay sa outfit ko ngayon.
Panning run pag ano. Oo.
Ito na si Mike.
Sinuot ata lahat dun sabay-sabay.
Dapat isa-isa lang. Ay, ginulo na naman niya. Daddy mo talaga ng gulo lang ng closet, anak eh. Huwag ka mag-manage dyan ah. Pag mo, ang gugulo lang ng closet eh. Happy 2 months, Auntie. 2 months na si baby. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, baby. Oh, roll over naman. Roll over. Yeah. There. Here, B. Wow, ganda naman yung damit na yan, ang baby. Sino nagbigay niyan, B? Si Miss Chris of Hello Baby. Ganda damit, oh. Wow! Ang pogi talaga. Maluwag pala. Ang pogi, oh. Tingin ko nga. Ang pogi talaga, eh. Oh, pogi yan, eh. Ay, sus! Okay, let's go down. Sino kinakantahan ni Mama?
Wait, kanina ko natawag sa'yo.
Ano yan? Cake? Oh, yan yung cake. Andyan na. Ayun, oh. Alis kayo dyan. Pahigain ko si baby. Excuse me, ate. Baka di kita bigyan ng allowance. Tayo.
Daddy, can I carry him?
Yes.
Uy,
Ay, why you
so
don't
cute
have boy?
naman.
Cute naman.
Tingnan mo, ate.
Ha?
Daddy.
Ay, you
Pwede
like
mo nga yung
mommy
phone
na.
mo, kuha na natin sila. Oh, ate, tignan mo lang ha, kasi kukunin ko yung...
2 months.
Bless you.
Bless you!
Smile. Smile like this.
Santi Bear!
Santi.
Okay, very good. Tingin naman dito ang baby. Ano titingin? Okay, 1, 2. Ayun, hinahawakan eh. Hinahawakan yung 2 months. Oh, go. Kanta ka ulit, Sarah.
Santi, Santi,
Yan.
Santissima.
Wait only, Lexi, wait only. Ito naman. Oh, wait lang, after.
Dito na lang,
After.
Pio.
There, oh. Lexi, that's all for you, oh.
Santi.
Oh, yan.
Santi.
Kabilang side na, para makita yung mukha.
Si Santi Boy. Antok na. Wala pa?
Meron na. Oh, go. Sige, kanta pa, Sarah.
Dikit konti kay Santi.
Oh, there. Ayan na, iiyak na, oh.
Dikit kay Santi,
Ready? Okay, 1, 2, look here. 1, 2, one more. Last one. Kiss nyo naman si Santi, kiss. Very good. Oh, you have to close your eyes, ha? Wait only, wait only. 1, 2, there. Come on, open it. See what's inside. Here, here. Oh my gosh! It's so big! Why does Lexi has a gift? Is it her birthday? Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Kiss daddy also, kiss daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Why not mommy? Why daddy
Mommy.
only? You're gonna... Are you 2 months? How old are you ba?
2 months.
Di ba you're 4 na?
No.
You told the teachers you're 4 years old na. Di ba? You're 4?
No, I'm 2 months.
Oh, you're just 2 months. So that's your cake.
Yeah.
Okay, Dad. Papa Cesar, can you open Lexi's cake na?
Please.
Can you please open Lexi's cake? Okay, come on. Let's open your cake na. Lexi, you sit down there.
Mommy, let's open the...
Okay, I will open the cake. I will open your cake na.
Mommy, let's open the number 2.
The number 2 we're gonna put inside the cake.
Inside the cake.
Yeah, let's open it na. Because Lexi is 2 months na, guys, eh. Wow! Happy 2nd month. Let's see. Happy 2nd month, baby. But why is it baby Santiago, not baby Lexi? Oh, no! It says baby Santiago. Right there, oh. Baby Santiago. Is it baby Lexi?
It's only for me.
Oh. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, no. Right there. Okay. Tell them you will blow the candle because it's
I'm
your
gonna
birthday.
blow the candle.
Because it's your
Birthday.
you are 2 months today?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Not 4 years old?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Tulog yung totoong may birthday. Dito na lang tayo.
It's magic.
Oh, guys, go at the back of Lexi and sing happy birthday song. Go at the back, everyone. Oh, call everyone.
Everyone.
Oh, you don't have a voice na like mommy, ah. Okay, are you ready, guys? But it says Santiago, eh.
No?
It's okay.
Ah, no, it says Lexi. Okay, okay, okay.
Anna.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Lexi. Happy birthday, Lexi. Ate Sam. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lexi. And you're not gonna cry now. We'll just open it. Oh, she's not crying na, ate, oh.
Last one.
Ayan, oh. There's Tangge. Tangge will also... No na, ito na, ito na, ito na, ito na, ito na. What's your wish?
It's a good health.
Oh, see? Oh, blow. Yay!
The cake.
Wow. Tulog na tulog. Si Butchokoy. Chokoy, Butchokoy, Butchokoy. Chokoy, 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 chokoy. Isa lang, isa lang. Butchokoy, Butchokoy, Butchokoy. Cinematic.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, yan, yan, yan. Para mag-blur yung background. Okay, game. Si Lexi. Si Lexi. Okay.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Hawakan mo yung ulo maigi. Ikaw. Kawawa naman. Ikaw mag-adjust sa bata. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Diba? 1, 2, 3.
Smile.
Okay.
Ano naman?
Okay, ready?
1, 2.
Okay.
Okay, blow the candle. Oh, we will kiss Lexi.
Okay, let's kiss Lexi. 2, 3. Si Sab naman. Baka gusto mo rin. Oh, ikaw naman. Dito sa gitna. Good job. What is that you're eating?
Knickknacks.
But that's chocolate. How about rice?
No, because it's good for my head.
It's
It's
not.
strawberry.
Who told you it's good for your health? It's not. Chocolates are not good for your health.
No, Daddy. This is
Oh, drink many
strawberry
water, ah.
hot.
You don't have a voice na nga, oh. You're like mommy.
Why?
Remember when I don't have a voice?
Why?
I don't know with you.
With me?
Yeah.
Only I have a voice.
Yeah.
And Gagi and Ate Shop.
Yeah.
But I don't have a voice now.
Yeah, you don't have a voice because you always eat chocolate. Know that Santi is also eating mommy's milk.
Yeah.
How about you? You want mommy's milk?
No, kasi I'm not a baby.
Ah, you're not a baby now. You said kanina you're just 2 months. Diba you said you're 2 months?
I'm 3 months now.
Ah, 3 months na. Diba you're 4 years old? Are you 4 or 2 months?
2.
2.
I have 1 subo.
1 tubo na lang. Wow, this baby is very good in eating. Wow. Kailangan meron pa siyang ano eh.
Yummy!
Oh, meron pang meron pang kasama kumain para kumain eh. Who's gonna win first? Who's gonna win first? Is it Tally or Lexi?
Lexi!
I'm not sure because Tally is very fast in eating.
Like me!
Later, Tally, are you gonna eat rice? Are you gonna eat rice later? Okay, we will video call you also later, ha? But right now, you eat with Lexi, oh. Look, oh, she's eating, oh. What do you wanna become when you grow up?
I want to become a Beanie Stacy.
Oh, wow. You show it to Tally that you're gonna dance.
But
And then you're gonna sing the Pantropico.
punch.
Oh, salamin, salamin.
Salim, salim, salim.
Paano ba yung Beanie Stacy? Paano yung Beanie Stacy? You don't wanna become a DJ anymore?
No.
Like mom?
Like mommy?
Mommy?
Ay!
Ay! Laglag! You don't wanna become a DJ like mommy?
No, I don't like to when I grow up.
What do you want?
To become Daddy becomes. I want to become Daddy sleepy. No, I want to become Daddy taking care of the baby.
Oh, you will just take care of the baby na lang like daddy. You don't wanna become a beanie. I thought you wanna become a beanie.
No.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look. You ask Tally. Tally, what do you wanna become when you grow up?
Tell you what you want when you grow up.
Oh, Mika, pagsalitain mo naman yung anak mo, B.
Hindi nagsasalita.
She doesn't want to talk to you. You ask her, are you mad at me, Tally?
Are you mad at me?
You ask Tally, Tally, do you want to become beanie also, Tally?
Do you want to become a beanie too?
Because look at Lexi, she will teach you how to be a beanie ba, Lexi? Oh, sa islang pantropiko.
Ayun.
Sa islang pantropiko.
Mika, are you have a baby on your tummy?
Wala pa, baby. Si Tali nga gusto ako mag-order sa Shopee.
Ay.
Pwede ba yon?
Can she order the baby in the Shopee and Lazada? Oh, yes daw. Yes daw, sabi ni Lexi. Yes daw, she can order.
I'm gonna order for you.
Oh, siya pa daw mag-order for you.
Because I'm the Lazada.
Can you ask her if she wants a baby brother or baby sister?
You want a baby brother or baby sister? Baby brother.
Oh, wow, baby brother. This one, you want this baby? I'll give this to you. This baby, you want? Oh, Can we give this to Tali na lang? Okay. You tell her, sorry, we cannot give the baby because I love my baby brother.
I'm sorry, Tali. You can't get my baby brother now.
Aww.
So, arte Lexi So, arte.
Gutom ka na naman? You hungry again? Are you hungry again? Gutom yan? Gutom yan? Gutom ba yan, baby ko? Gutom ba yan? You want to kiss mommy?
No.
Oh, sige, si baby na lang. Baby na lang, love ako ni baby. You love mommy? You want to kiss mommy? You want to kiss mommy, my love? Oh, you want to kiss mommy? How about my other baby? Oh, yes. Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. I love you, you're my favorite baby.
Not that baby because he's always trying.
Can I have the two favorites?
Okay.
You and the baby?
Okay.
Okay.
Ang dami. 7 ounces.
Look, mommy has so much milk. Look at Lexi, oh. You want this? This is for baby dragon. This one. Where's the toy store? We're gonna buy a gift for Celestine, okay?
Okay.
Because today is, well, you wanna see that one? Wanna go there?
No.
Why? Wait for your turn. Oh, there. You give it to ate na. Where's your money? Oh, go.
I'm not going to choose your slippers, 87, 88.
Okay po. You hug Celestine. You hug. What will you... Lexi. Ayun na. Tinangga. There's your prize, oh. Go.
Okay, next natin kids makinig. Siyempre, kung si Mami
Yay!
ang next is si Daddy Sam. Go!
Oh, get the daddy. Get the daddy. Get the daddy.
Okay, Daddy. Okay. What is your name?
Celine! Palakpakan natin si Celine. Okay, we're going to... Lala Chan, are you there?
Where's
Okay,
Lala Chan?
ready na daw si Lala Chan.
My name is Lala
So
Chan.
kids, tawagin natin siya. In 3, 2, 1!
Oh, I'm just here. I'm just here.
Hello, Lala Chan! Hi!
Oh my God, it's like a surprise toy. Oh my, it's so cute. Look at that.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Celestine!
Clap your hands for
Okay, naman
Celestine.
po, Mami Carmela, ano po ang birthday?
Go down. You can do it. Come on. Mommy's here. Go. Come on. Lexi, you can do it. Oh. Yay! It's so fun. Ayan na. Magiging bini yan. Sa'yo. Oh, you dance there, you dance. Oh. Salamin nga eh. Oh. Oh, you dance with Celestine, you dance. Lexi, na. Habol pa. Oh, sige. Bagong workout. Good job. Come on. Very good. Go on the black line. On the black line only, not on the green one. On the black line. Lexi, can you show it to me? What's that? Oh, sige nga. Come on, I'll open it. Come here. Can I write in your back? Lexi? Hey!
More.
Hinihingal sa pagkanta. Tingnan mo. Is he sleeping? Can I see?
Yeah, he's sleeping.
I wanna see. Oh, the baby is really sleeping.
Oh no!
Oh, the baby's waking up. Not like that. Only soft.
Sorry for everything.
You see? Come here. Because I have a surprise for you. Are you a good girl?
Yeah.
Oh, why are you crying? Oh, why are you crying? No. Why are you crying?
Kasi mommy's angry when
Oh, I'm angry with you because
kasi I follow him.
you follow me. That's why I'm angry. Oh. You love mommy? Are you sure? Look at mommy's eyes. Look what you did to me. Look at my eyes.
What did you say?
What did you do to mommy? What did you do to me?
I follow in the head.
Where? Paano? Paano yung palo mo kay mommy? Like that. Why did you do that?
Kasi I'm a bad girl.
No, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. Don't do that again. Okay, look at me. Don't do that again. You will go outside of the house. See, Daddy put you outside of the house.
I see, mommy is looking at me, and he's bango na.
Mommy is?
Bango.
Bango. Grabe, iba na yung chini-cheers natin ngayon. My gosh, di ba nung kabataan, hindi ganyan. Kampay, mare. Oh, ang chini-cheers ay all-natural drink. Ay, teka, cheers pala.
Cheers! Cheers!
Friendship. Ano
Masarap
sinabi ko?
to. Bye-bye! Bumili tayo ng mga baby items from Parenting Emporium. Diba? This one is from Rototo Bebe. So, lounger yung tawag dyan. Kasi, dyan talaga siya mahilig matulog sa gabi, no?
Good job.
Much later.
Yay! Finally! After 100 years!
Yay!
Yay! Yan, love. Yan talaga. Ang ganda. Gosh! Oh! Sarap dyan, B. Oh, look, oh. Oh, it's so nice. Oh. Oh, look at that. Finally, we found the lounger for the baby. Oh, sarap dyan, be. Sarap.
Your feet, now your feet.
Excuse me. Uy, ganda.
Lexi, it's not for you.
One. Double one.
You're too big for that. Okay, one. And then?
Hindi pa siya pwede doon sa one.
Oo. Actually, pwede na rin siya sa one, love. Kasi pang newborn yan talaga.
Ito yung two.
And then, 2 yung perfect, feeling ko. No? Yung 3 yung parang nakahiga na. Yan yung number 3. Masyado nang higa. Number 1 mo, naniniwala akong kaya niya na yung number 1.
Hindi pa.
Go please, number 1. Tapos try natin si baby dyan. Anong number yan, love?
Yun yung number 1. Yan yung pinakaligang.
Kapag sumipa-sipa yan, magbabounce yan. Kuwari, nakaupo ka. Pwede mo siyang iganyan.
Teka. Uy,
Ganun nga. Ito nga. Bouncer nga, love. Ito naman. Uy, it's so cute. It's so cute. My original baby is here. Take up. Oy. Wala munang kiss. Ate, no more kissing muna.
This is my baby.
Ah, that's your baby. Ay, oy. That's yours?
Nakikita niya na ba?
May aninag na siya. Naaninag ka na niya. One, two. Look here. One more. Show your teeth. Show your teeth, Lexi. Paano yung bait si Lexi? Paano yung mabait si Lexi?
All. Not the printer. You will go outside if you don't eat that chocolate.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you excited for your gift?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you a good girl?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Don't pick.
Okay. Lexi.
It's a bubble part.
What is that? Oh, come on. Open it na. Here, here. Ooh, there's so many books inside. Oh. Hala, kinalat niya agad. Oh.
One book per ano?
Wow, so many books for Lexi.
We read. Come here.
Don't read. Snow Island.
Can I see?
So alam nyo.
Can I see? Wow, it's the Snow Island.
Okay, and then?
Hi guys, my name is Savannah. My mommy will go bring me in my school.
What is your favorite subject? Is it Filipino, English, or math?
English.
English. How about Filipino?
No.
Why? Diba, we're studying the other day the magkaiba o magkatulad. Can you say it?
Magkaiba or magkatulad?
Oh, using bahay kubo nga for mommy.
Bahay magkubo. Bahay kubo. Kahit munti at langit doon.
Halaman.
Halaman doon.
Ay.
Sorry.
Oh.
Sikaman at talong.
Oh. Oh, no. Uy, sus. Papakarga na yan? Ha? Magpapakarga ka, be? Ay, nag-iinarte lang, ha? Uy, sus. Sige, inarte pa. Uy, sus. Kilito. Ay, just... Ay, ayaw na magpakis niyan. Ay, hindi na.
You kiss me, you're banana. Age in the way so far. Mommy, can I borrow alimango sa dagat at taba at mas?
Ay?
Mahirap mahuli